In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Namecheap affiliate link. To begin, head over to Namecheap and look for the affiliate program page. Namecheap runs its affiliate program through third-party affiliate networks, specifically Impact Radius or Commission Junction. Before you can generate any affiliate link, you'll need to sign up for the Namecheap affiliate program through one of those platforms and wait for your application to be approved. This is important because your affiliate tracking link is only available once your account is active inside the network dashboard. After you've been approved, log into the affiliate network you chose. In this example, we're focusing on Impact Radius. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Most of the tools you need will either be visible on the main dashboard or listed in the menu on the left-hand side. Next, find the option called Create a Link. This is the tool that lets you generate a custom affiliate URL for a specific Namecheap page, rather than just using a generic homepage link. That can be especially useful if you want to send people directly to a product page, promotion, or landing page that matches your content. When you open the link creation tool, paste in the Namecheap landing page URL you want to promote. For example, you can use the main Namecheap website if you want a broad affiliate link, or choose a more specific page depending on your audience and what you're recommending. Once the URL is pasted in, click Create. After that, the platform will automatically generate a new URL that includes your unique affiliate tracking information. This is the link you'll use when promoting Namecheap. Go ahead and copy it, and then you can paste it into your website, blog post, video description, email campaign, or anywhere else you plan to share it. One helpful tip here is to double check that the link points to the correct page before you publish it. That way you can make sure the user experience matches what you're promoting and your tracking is set up properly. It's also a good idea to stay organized by saving your links somewhere easy to access, especially if you create multiple links for different Namecheap offers or landing pages. And that's all it takes to get your Namecheap affiliate link. Once you're approved in the affiliate network, you simply log in, open the Create a Link tool, paste in the Namecheap page you want, generate the link, and copy it for use in your promotions.